I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwent, the captivating card game from the Witcher universe. Gwent is a strategic, turn-based game where two players compete to win 2 out of 3 rounds. You'll build a powerful deck of at least 25 cards, choosing from one of 5 unique factions, each with distinct playstyles. The goal is simple: outsmart your opponent by accumulating more points on the battlefield. Let's dive into the core mechanics and get you ready to challenge any foe. At the start of each match, both players draw 10 cards, then 2 more at the beginning of every round. Players take turns playing 1 card from their hand onto their side of the board. Each card has a power value and often a special ability that can dramatically influence the game. Understanding these abilities and when to deploy them is key to building a strong board presence and gaining an advantage over your opponent. A round concludes when both players decide to pass their turn or when they run out of cards to play. The player with the highest total power on their side of the battlefield at that point wins the round. To secure victory in the entire match, you must win 2 out of the 3 possible rounds. This often means making tough decisions about when to push for a win and when to concede a round to save cards. Mastering Gwent involves careful hand management. Knowing when to hold back powerful cards for later rounds is crucial. Effectively combining your leader's unique ability with your card synergies can create devastating combos. Don't be afraid to bluff or bait your opponent into overcommitting their resources early. Strategic passing and understanding your deck strengths will significantly improve your chances of becoming a formidable Gwent player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.